What is going on, everybody? I tell you, it's a hot one today. It is June the 15th. It is 99 degrees and sunny. And it is 4:23 in the afternoon. Well, I went to the doctor today. I ran out of my medicine for my diabetes, so I had to go back. They give me a 3-month prescription with 3 refills, so it lasts me for a year. And so I had to go today because I'm out. I took my last medicine today, and that is where I'm headed now, to the pharmacy to pick it up. And when I get my medicine for my diabetes, it's a 3-month supply, and it looks like a big old bag of groceries almost when I get it. But no, just been sitting around the house today, not doing a whole lot. So I figured let's break the bike out and go get the medicine. And I'm looking for a backpack that I can put on to go riding. I posted it in the bike group on Facebook, and I got some pretty good suggestions. But if anybody watching the video, if you have any suggestions on a backpack, I'd like one that's kind of large that I can just put on my back, that I can fit quite a bit of stuff in. It'd be nice because I could just, you know, if I needed something from Walmart, I can just order it in the app and, you know, have it for curbside pickup. And that way, I don't have to leave my bike outside while I go in the store. So, looking for something like that. They don't have any bike racks around here, so there's nothing to lock the bike up to. I don't know how Walmart feels about bringing your bike in the store. I've seen some videos where people take their bike in the stores, but you know, you never know. But I tell you, it's a warm one today. And then I guess when I get back, I'm gonna have to think about what to eat for supper. Thinking about doing some shrimp in the air fryer. The air fryer's still doing good. If you saw any of my earlier videos, I talked about it there when I first got it. But it still does good. It makes it so much easier to cook things. The one I have, the chicken is done in 40 minutes. I do 20 minutes on each side. Shrimp, I think, takes, I can't remember. I want to say maybe 12 minutes. 12 minutes, something like that. And then the fish, the tilapia, that's 15 minutes. And it does a good job cooking it. So hopefully I can get to the pharmacy. Hopefully there won't be a long line, and then head back before the 5 o'clock traffic. That would be nice. I got a text message. I don't know. I'm wondering if that's Walmart. Yeah, I think that's Walmart telling me my prescription's ready. So it looks like I left just in time. We got this busy road to cross up here. Hopefully it won't be too bad. The speed limit on this road's 15. I'm actually doing over 20, so see what we got here. All right, we got it. Hopefully it'll be that easy crossing that road on the way back. That would be nice. Now, just let there not be a line. I'm gonna have to charge my lav mics up too. I think I got 2 bars left on them. I'll have to charge those tonight. Well, looks like there's a line, so oh well. Oh, it's a long line too. Well, hopefully it won't be too long, but you won't have to watch it. So see you when I get it done and get the prescription. All right, so we got our medicine. I got my medicine. That took about 30 minutes. Man, they were slow today. So that could be a whole video in itself, couldn't it? So we're gonna head back. It's 4:54. Hopefully we'll get up here to this busy road and it won't be bad. I was wanting to get back up here before 5 o'clock. I didn't think it was going to happen there for a while, but we're all good. I can get across this road. It's usually not too busy everywhere else. I'm gonna have to check my medicine when I get home. It didn't look like it was right. I know I should have checked it there, but oh well. But one of my medicines usually comes in real big bottles, but she said they broke it down into smaller ones this time because they didn't have the big bottles. So we'll see. Oh, looks like it's going to take a while. Well, maybe not. All right, car, come on and go by. Nothing else coming. Come on, come on. Nope, can't make it. We got it after this truck, though. All right, so that wasn't too bad. Man, it's hot out here. Have to get me some water when I get home. So we're just about home. I think I'm gonna call it a video. As usual, I will leave the camera running in case something exciting happens. But hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.